Hi, Jay back from the range. And one of the things we shot today at the range was my Glock 380, the Glock 42. I had purchased this a couple of months ago and hadn't shot it yet. So I wanted to do a good comparison on the ammunition. Now what I normally carry in it is DRT Technologies self-defense round. Now DRT is supposed to be, and I'm going to read it right off the box, Dynamic Research Technologies. But if you read, they actually named it DRT for dead right there for these rounds. They're rapidly expanding 380. Let's see if they've got a size on here. 85 grain hollow points. I think all of them are 85 grain. So we shot some DRTs. We shot some Hornady Critical Defense. We shot some PMC brass, 85 grain, standard. Some Blazer aluminum 380. Some Silver Bear 380. This is the Russian version of the Blazers. Some Perverted Partisan, my favorite brand. Oh wait, it's PRVI, not Perverted. We shot some of this. Now I'd heard that this will not cycle in a Glock 42. And I'm going to play all the clips from where we were shooting, and you can see this won't cycle. This will not cycle. It's a single action with this. It just would not eject the round. It would not. You'll see it when I run the videos, but everything else, including these Critical Defense, which are very conical, and the DRTs, which are very conical and flat because they're hollow points, fed fine. The PMs, well, FMJs, you know, they all fed fine. But this Perverted Partisan stuff would not feed. So anyway, so now I'm going to cut to the shooting. Like I said, we shot 600 rounds today. So I'm going to go to the shooting videos so you can see us shooting. Standard FMJ from PMC brass Glock 380. Let's see how it runs this. Okay, Glock 380, PMC, regular FMJ. 380, jacketed hollow point. Now supposedly these don't feed well in the Glock 380. So let's see how they do. Did not extract, failure to extract. Okay, that was one mag. Had a problem. Let's try another mag. Again, these are the hollow point. Oh. Oh. Oh, that didn't sound good. This definitely does not like that flat point. Let's try one last mag. Nope. Okay, well, I'm not going to shoot the rest of those. Definitely does not like those. For grins and giggles, here's some DRT. Now, this is, what do you call it? This is self-defense ammo, specially made for 380s. It's by DRT, 5 rounds. Okay, so it will shoot the DRT hollow points, but not the PVI. And for grins and giggles, how about some Blazer 380? It's FMJ aluminum case. Let's see how the Glock likes that. So it shot the DRT hollow points, but not the PVI. So let's try 5 rounds of Hornady Critical Defense. See how conical that is? Hornady Critical Defense, 5 rounds. Okay, so it liked the Hornady Critical Defense, and it liked the DRT, it liked the cheap Blazer, it liked the PMC. The only thing it didn't like was the PVI jacketed hollow points, as you saw. It would just not extract those at all. All right, those PVI jacketed hollow points that the Glock wouldn't shoot. I brought my SIG with me. This is my SIG 380. So I'm going to try these in there because it didn't like those in the Glock. Okay, those jacketed hollow points fed fine out of the SIG. They would not feed or extract out of the Glock. PMC. So this is the end of my video, and you're going, Jay, you flapped your jaws. You showed us you shot all of it, and you shot all these rounds. What do you think? Well, we put 600 rounds through it. The perverted party stuff would not cycle. And of the rounds we put through it, I had one fail to extract. And you'll see it, you saw it in the video. I'll try and put a little notation on there. The second or third round out of a magazine of PMC, and it was one time, and and then after I cleared it, we shot 250 more rounds. So maybe I limp wristed it, maybe the bullet was gummy, dirty, maybe a bird pooped on it when I wasn't looking. I don't know, but I had one in all that. So I can't give this thing like 9 stars or 10 stars. I'm sorry. But I give it an 8, which means I need to do some more testing and make sure that that was just a one-time thing. Because it fed, like I said, 599 rounds. It had one that it didn't extract. And again, that could have been me limp wristing it. I shot this several different ways. I shot it one-handed, two-handed, like this. And this gun really doesn't kick much. There was a chick there with her boyfriend that was shooting a little Kel-Tec, and she was like, it was brutalizing her. She's like, like me, like 5'5", 5'6". She maybe weighed a buck, buck 10. Oh, I weigh like buck 50. But so I let her play with it. That's what she said. But she liked the size. She shot a magazine through and really liked it, and wanted her boyfriend to go get her one because she felt the size. I know it's on the bang bang switch, but she felt the size was perfect for her. I found the size perfect to shoot, with my manly hands. They're right, I got girly wrists and girly hands. Her hands were bigger than mine. But I found it to be accurate. I found it to, nothing wrong with this. Absolutely nothing wrong. And I've said this over and over again, I don't like Glocks. Glocks are ugly as sin. I'd much rather have some sexy HK USP, but I'm not. I'm going to have something like this so I can put in my pocket and doesn't cost $1,100. So for what I paid, I think I paid $409 back a couple months ago. It's on my video. You'll have to watch the other video. Plug. But I think I paid $409 for this, $429, something like that. It's not much, a little over $400. Yeah, Oh yeah. She liked the SIG 238 that you saw in the video too. Yeah, but the SIGs are like $650 when I bought it. So it's a lot more than the 400 and some change that Glock charges. Love it. Love it. Like it. I'm not a Glock head. I just like guns that go bang. And you've heard me say this before. I'll take 12 guns to the range and like 8 at work. I had 2 guns at the range that just had... My freaking car, M1 carbine, bit the dust again. Brand new gun. It's been to the factory twice. I've got 3 complete rounds out of it. This time it would not even strike. The firing pin wouldn't even strike. So yeah, that was a piece of crap. Anyway, I'm not going to get into that. I'll do that in a separate video. Glock 380. Yes, it's worth it. Yes, it shot well. No, I had no problems except with the ammo that everybody says they have problems with. I did have that one, out of 500, or I'm sorry, I think I shot 300 of these. Out of the 300 of these, I had one that fell to a strike and kind of stovepiped, and it's in the video. And I don't know if that was me or something weird. So, 2 thumbs up, 7 out of 10, 8 out of 10, yep. Get your one, as Don Gibson would say. Now, as Such00 would say, and I'm quoting him from now on at the end of my videos, be strong, be of good courage. God bless America, and long live the Republic. Good night, and look for my other videos.